Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Bowdabra and make this adorable mini lantern swag. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take our Bowdabra bow wire. I've cut a piece long enough to make my swag. I'm going to fold it. I folded it in half and just tuck it underneath. Then I'm going to grab our foliage and just lay this all in. So this is going to have a great fall or Halloween because of the colors. It will be totally a great Halloween project. We'll just lay this down in here and lay this one. And then we'll take our orange roses and lay those in here. And I'm going to take my other roses and lay those. And I'm just going to kind of shape them as I'm going. And these are great and easy to shape because they're wired. Then I'm gonna lay my Halloween pumpkin in here. And I'll take my sunflowers and lay those in. And take my other sunflower, and now it's time to make the bow. So I'm going to take my twinkling ribbon and lay this down in here. And then I'm going to take another piece of the twinkling, and I want to make sure that the right side is on the outside. We're going to fold this back over and twist. And I'm going to fold it over and twist. And again, so the inside of my loop is the wrong side of the ribbon. I'm going to fold that back over and twist. And fold it over and lay that in, and then now I'm gonna take a piece of my black twinkling and I'm gonna do our flower thing, so we go back and forth so it makes it a little bit bigger of a scrunch. And we're just gonna scrunch everything in there, take my wand and just give everything a good push, turn it around, and I'm gonna grab my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm gonna pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, and I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and double knot it. And now I'm going to grab my mini lantern, whoopsie daisy, and I'm going to just take it through, what I'm going to do is take it through the loop, and I'm going to tie it on here and bring it around. I'm going to just bring it around here, tie it around that, and we're just going to knot it on here. So now I've attached my mini swag to my mini lantern, and you have a wonderful Halloween or fall decoration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.